AI in healthcare, a transformative force revolutionizing the landscape of medicine and paving the way for a future of enhanced healthcare outcomes. The integration of AI technologies and algorithms has the potential to revolutionize various aspects of healthcare, from diagnosis and treatment to patient care and management. One significant area where AI is making remarkable strides is in medical imaging analysis. Through advanced machine learning algorithms, AI can analyze and interpret complex medical images, such as X-rays, MRIs, and CT scans, with remarkable accuracy and efficiency. This enables healthcare professionals to detect subtle abnormalities, identify potential diseases, and plan effective treatment strategies at an early stage, leading to improved patient outcomes. Predictive analytics powered by AI is another game changer in healthcare. By leveraging vast amounts of patient data, AI algorithms can identify patterns and trends that help predict the likelihood of certain medical conditions, enabling proactive interventions and preventive measures. This can significantly reduce the risk of adverse events, optimize treatment plans, and ultimately save lives. In the realm of electronic health records, EHRs, AI-driven natural language processing, NLP, techniques have the ability to transform the way healthcare professionals interact with patient data. NLP enables the extraction and analysis of critical information from medical documents, allowing for more efficient clinical decision-making. By automating the extraction of relevant data, AI streamlines workflows, reduces administrative burdens, and improves the accuracy and speed of diagnosis and treatment. Virtual assistants and chatbots, powered by AI, are also reshaping the patient experience. These conversational agents provide personalized and interactive support to patients, assisting with appointment scheduling, medication reminders, and general health inquiries. By enhancing patient engagement and providing timely information, virtual assistants contribute to improved patient satisfaction, increased accessibility, and optimized healthcare delivery. As we embark on this exciting journey exploring AI in healthcare, we will delve deeper into advanced techniques, innovative research, and ethical considerations. Our upcoming videos will cover topics such as AI-enabled precision medicine, remote patient monitoring, and the ethical implications of AI adoption in healthcare. Stay tuned for more in-depth insights and valuable AI applications that are shaping the future of medicine. Don't miss out on these cutting-edge AI insights that have the potential to revolutionize healthcare. Thank you for your continued support and for joining us on this transformative journey.